Okay, everyone, this is Miss Monday, and I'm here to help you guys with number 4. So number 4, first of all, we have f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 4. Now, and they have a graph of that. Now we're going to transform that function, okay? So not absolute value of x, we're going to transform absolute value of x minus 4. This is already shifted to the right by 3. Okay, so A wants us to translate this graph 6 units left and 2 units down. So for A, what we would do is it's already moved to the right by 4. We're going to move it from the right 4. We're going to move it to the left 6, and then we're going to move it down 2. So basically, if you're right 4 and you move it left 6, you are now at the left by 2. Okay? Now for B, we need to reflect all of this over the x-axis. So we need to make the whole thing negative. That's not just going to affect where it was shifted to the left 2, it's also going to affect where it was shifted down 2. So we're going to distribute this negative in front of the absolute value and to the negative 2. So it would be negative absolute value of x plus 2 and then plus 2, okay? So actually, let me show you kind of the transformations. So the first transformation, this went to the left 6 and then down 2. So the V part was kind of like over here. Now when we reflect this whole thing, this part moves all the way up here and it's like reflected like that. So now it's reflected and it's up 2. See how that's a reflection? Okay, now in C, we need to do the scaling. Scale this by a factor of half. So it's going to kind of flatten out. We're going to multiply the whole thing by a half again. So we have to distribute the half. We have negative 1/2 of x plus 2. Do you hear my cat? Plus 1. Okay, so basically what's going to happen to that graph is it's going to go down here because like the whole thing's kind of squishy, and then it will be like the slope is 1/2. So down 1, left 2, or down 1, right 2. Okay, so it got all squished. Okay, and then finally, now we're going to translate this 3 units right and up 2. So we need to go a further 3 units to the right, so minus 3, and then up 2 more. So we end up with negative 1/2 absolute value of x minus 1 plus 3. So this moved 3 to the right, so it's over here at minus 1, and then up 2, so it's up here, and then the slope is 1 over 2, 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. Okay, well, I should have done this in a different color, but I hope that helped. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Wait, no, that looks so bad. Let me do it in a different color. Okay. Let's see. It was right there, right? Yeah. So this is your final answer. This is the only graph that it asks you to graph, so you really only need this one. But I was showing you the other ones so you could see the steady transformations. All right, now I hope you have a great day.